Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today is finally the day I'm doing the review of the upgrades. For right now, I'm just showing some footage of my crawler without the upgrades, and I will put a link to the full video of me driving it in the description. And as you can see, it's okay, but you can see like how little articulation just happened there, and it was already starting to tip over. So I just really wasn't happy with that. Didn't like it. This is fairly impressive. But, of course, there we go. Just good for a shot. And then here. Yep. Nice and top heavy. Very good at flipping over. And getting stuck. And then here's some footage with the upgrades in. You can already see in the back the articulation. I have the RCLions shocks in here. They're pretty good. They definitely make your truck look like more of a monster truck than like a trail crawler or anything like that. So I've kind of higher the center of gravity a little bit, but it still allows for a much better articulation than what it previously had. Especially as you can see right here in just a moment. Yeah, there you can see really good articulation that the stock version could never do. Not a chance. You can see my little brother driving in the background. It's a blue Bronco. But yeah, here's some shots that I got of the articulation with stock versus upgraded. Here, that's already quite a bit better than what it was before, and I promise you that all the wheels are touching the ground. That I can assure you of. And then here is the stock crawler doing this. Not very successfully. Now, I would have done a clip of the other car doing the same thing with the upgrades, but unfortunately, as you can see, I've lost the screw that connects the steering horn and steering servo. So I guess if you get this particular steering servo, be warned. You make sure to tighten that screw very tight, and probably want to buy a replacement, because I think even if you do tighten it a lot, it will probably come loose. Also, maybe look into getting a different length of screw. But yeah, otherwise happy with the servo. And also another thing, a stronger motor and ESC would probably benefit the steering servo a bit, and I might be doing that in the next upgrade video, but then again, that's pretty expensive, so we'll see. Anyways, back to the video. Here you can see comparison. So some trouble getting out of that position, whereas this one just easily, with the upgrades, goes right through it. And you can see at the start it was 301, and now it's 445. Okay, and then I think appearance-wise, the stock version, it looks okay. It's all black parts on the bottom, but I think when you put the red in, it really brings out more of the color. I think it looks quite a bit better. So I think look-wise, it's really improved. And this here, I think I might actually like the stock front more than I like the upgraded front, because I feel like the suspension makes it hang down too far in the front. But then again, the axle looks really good, so I guess I can't complain too much. And from the side, I think the side will look even better when I put the new wheels and tires on. So I'll have red rims. And then, yeah, I mean, looks alright. I don't like how it hangs down. So, there's that. And then the back, pretty much the same as the front. So yeah, not too much to say there. But then again, there's the red axle. I quite like that. So, pretty happy with the appearance-wise on the car. I think it's improved the performance as well. And then here, I just thought I would show some cool shots that I got with the upgraded car. Really nice looking articulation. That has, like, improved, like, fourfold. It's so much better now. I think I still might get, like, the restraining straps or whatever they're called, so that I don't have to have the suspension, and that will improve everything even more, I think. So, yeah, looking forward to that. And then, of course, the second upgrading video will be coming out soon, so you've got that to look forward to. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be doing in it, aside from installing the new rims and tires. So I might do more, but we'll see. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you really enjoyed it, then make sure to hit the notification bell and share button. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.